This is a review of travel cooler. It is vacuum insulation in cold storage, liner 304 stainless steel. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside the box. This is stainless steel. Let's open it and see the ice cubes. We have 10 ice cubes inside. I'm gonna go ahead and put them over here about 8 hours. And then take them and put them inside, and after 2 or 3 hours we're gonna go ahead and check the temperature. I'm just gonna go ahead and put 4 ice cubes in the cooler cup. Let's wait for a while. It's morning time. Let's go ahead and open it and measure the temperature. It's 39. Let's close it and we will measure it during afternoon and evening time. Now it's afternoon time. It is 60 degrees, 59. It's evening time, around 9 p.m. Let's go ahead and open it. Temperature is 62. The time is 1 a.m. in the morning. And this is gonna be in last measurement for me, 62. Here are some of the measurements. I can suggest this product because it is using biogel ice cubes. It can give you an option to put how many insulins you want to put. When you put the biogel ice cubes inside the freezer, minus 18 Celsius degrees and 0 Fahrenheit degrees, it's going to solidify and it's going to store the energy, cooling energy. Then inside the cooler, vacuum insulation and low conductivity materials maintain a stable temperature, while a reflective coating minimizes the heat loss. You can store the insulins properly. I can suggest this product is because you have an option to choose how many you want to put, and insulins are gonna have more space and you can store it properly.